only in that 2 degrees, if Shani is there, that means from 28 degree 1 minute to 30 degrees of Makar Rashi, then only he will capable of doing something in that Rashi. Shani is more powerful in Kumbha Rashi. More than Tula Rashi is more powerful in Kumbha Rashi, because in Kumbha Rashi, we call it as the Mula Trikona sign of, yes. And also, there is no other planets have any say. That is, no planets are exalted, no planets are debilitated in that sign. Only Shani is ruling. Similarly, like Simha Rashi, that is the Lord Surya. Like this, there are 3 houses are there. So, which is not interested now, because if I start explaining these things, they will go out of the syllabus now. Anyhow, this has come about the planetary fights and all these things. It's very important. The person, the astrologer should know. So the next thing is that how to put a query. So, sorry. Before that, I will tell about it's already I have told, the completely surrender to one's guru. The person must be initiated with a suitable mantra from a guru, and the practice the mantra with complete faith and surrenders to the mantra devata. And you must start learning when Guru or Jupiter is in Lagna or in Kendras, a benefic planet. Now today, at 4:3, actually 4:4, when we started, I told that I want to start at 4 o'clock, but then due to some misunderstandings or my own mistake, it has gone up to 4:4. 4:4 was the last timing. So because until 4:4, anyhow, the Lagna is not changing. Lagna is Tula Lagna, but the Hora is a more important, which we have to see. Hora was that of Guru. Guru was ending here. It was at 4:4, and from 4/5, it will change. The Hora will be changed to Shani Hora. Sorry, Kuja Hora or Mangal Hora. So anyhow, we have reached, and we started this study of the Prashna Shastra exactly before we start. The Kuja Hora has started, the end of the Guru Hora. Where is Guru from the Lagna? From the Lagna, it is in the 4th house. Am I correct? Tula Lagna. Tula Lagna, Guru,
yes.
Guru retrograde and Shani retrograde in the 4th house.
In the 4th house, right?
Yes. So, if I want to tell something more, this Guru retrograde and Shani retrograde, if we consider, because when they get retrogression means, now for example, Guru. So Guru is debilitated in Makara Rashi now. Okay. But when he is retrograde, that means he is looking, retrogression means looking back. Am I correct or not? What is the meaning of retrogression?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The planet seems to be going back.
Seems to be going back. Going back to where?
Rare sign.
Yeah, rare sign. What is that sign now? What is that sign?
Mool Trikon Rashi of Jupiter.
Dhanu.
Yes. Dhanu Rashi.
Sagittarius.
Yes. So that means the Guru is going to be very strong. That means I am not telling that immediately. He is gaining power now. Even though he is debilitated, he is gaining strength. So you can see that after he becomes retrograde, slowly, you can see the life is getting smoother. Even though the coronavirus is increasing, but the life, mainly the temples are opened slowly now. People can go and visit, have the darshan of the god or goddess slowly. It is. I am not telling that it is very fast, but on the 29th of this month, when Guru comes to Dhanu Rashi, you will see that the best activity will be taking place. Anyhow, I am not going to mention these things. The important thing is that now, if we consider that the Guru, retrograde Guru, is aspecting back in Dhanu Rashi, you can see today the Surya or the sun is in Mithun Rashi, along with the Mercury, Buddha, and Rahu is also there. But the retrograde Guru's aspect, even though he is not posited in Dhanu Rashi, we have to consider that his retrogression means he will give the effect from the Dhanu Rashi. So from the Dhanu Rashi, he is giving aspect to Surya. So what is the meaning of Surya? That means you will see that within a month, Surya indicates, I will give the Karakatas of each planets very soon now. Surya is the Karaka. For important is the government, okay? The next thing is the medicine. Surya joined with the Mercury is important for the medicine will come out now for the curing of the disease. As per my knowledge, this Mercury will give, because Mercury or Buddha is in his own house of Kshetra, and after 3 days, he is becoming retrograde. Again, the Mercury also retrograde. Mercury in his own place getting retrograde means again he is getting more strength. So that means a kind of Ayurvedic medicine, medicines which are prepared from the herbs, is going to come to the market very, very soon. This I have written already in an article which I have written about 3 months before, pandemic disease, as per the Nadi astrology. You can go through it again. Anyhow, which I have told now about the Lagna. The starting of the Prashna Shastra should be when the Guru or Jupiter is in Lagna or in Kendras. Today, the Guru was in a Kendra. And a benefic planet in a trine is also advisable. Now, who is now benefic planet in a trine?
Venus, sir.
No. Lagna is Tula. Lagna is Libra or Tula. And in the trine, who is there?
Mercury.
Mercury, yes. So this is also a good sign of, because Mercury is also Karaka for education also as per Nadi. So that means this is a very good time to start the Prashna Shastra. This one. So, and now, where is Shukra now? Shukra is in the Lagna Lord, Shukra is in the 8th house, but in his own house. Correct? Vrishabha Rashi. So, the 8th house is very excellent. Shukra in the 8th house, Shukracharya, to get occult knowledge. Even this Prashna Shastra is also a powerful occult knowledge. It's very important. And if the Lagna or the Lagna Lord is in Pushkaramsha, that will be an excellent Muhurta for studying, which is there now. Anyhow, and the Hora must be of either Guru or Buddha for study of the Jyotish Shastra or any kind of education. The next comes about this is something, different, which I already told in my interview before. An astrologer should have studied about the examination of his breath or shwas. So this is called as the inhalation and exhalation of our breath. It is called as shwas. So it is a very important topic for Prashna astrology. So what is the condition here? See, we have the 7 days here, and the most important is because from the nostril, very few days you will find the exhalation will come from the both nostrils. But most of the days you will see that either from the left nostril it will come out fast, or from the right nostril it will come out fast, the air which you have inhaled. Now, what the Shastra says, breath should pass through the left nostril on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Today is a Monday. Please check the shwas or the breath from where it is coming out. Just keep it is near to your nostril like this, and just exhale. You will find the force which kind, from where it is coming little force.